Good Thursday morning, meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. To also doing first responding fire. Well, take a look at the radar. Don't get confused here. There is freezing rain occurring in a lot of locations. Maybe not downtown Roanoke because it's still at 33. The outlying areas. I have checked out this morning. There is some ice accretion starting on trees here in the area where I live here in Western Bedford County. Please do not be fooled that this is all rain. This is freezing rain. We're probably going to have a blast of sleet. Temperatures will go down probably over the next 2 to 3 hours. So we'll actually get below freezing for a little bit. And that's going to actually what's going to be an issue with icing up the roads. Now, Bent Mountain, they have been totally iced up. So that itself, these higher elevations will be the major issue. Where we get the most ice, overpasses and bridges could be an issue too. Bedford County finally closed their schools at roughly an hour ago. And I'm going to show you, this is filling, like I said, this is starting to fill in, getting more blue, which is your sleet and freezing rain. So don't be surprised if that occurs. You can see the sleet and freezing rain back here a little further to the west. Like I said, this is not all rain, so do not take this. Areas maybe closer to Manita at this time, probably rain. But the further western part of the Bedford County back west is going to be your main area of issue. Another thing with ice accretion, you can see we're back down to around point. Let me try to see right over Roanoke. A tenth of an inch of ice. So that's not as bad as originally but expected, but the sleet may be more of the issue. So we're keeping an eye on that too, and that's going to spread north and east up to Delaware Valley. And we're going to take a look at snow further north. That's what I want to take a look at also. And this is sometimes off because of the icing also. So this is something we have to really keep an eye on. But yeah, not really showing much here. The most snow looks to be an area in New Jersey, in Pennsylvania, of I-95 cut north and west. So we'll be continuing to watch that closely too. But not much in the way of snow either. So there's some good news and some bad news about it. Like I said, we do have ice accretion occurring. You just have to really look for it. Tree limbs, things like that. It could make for some slick roadways, especially this morning, before we turn to all rain and then possibly back to a snow burst or sleet burst this afternoon. Other than that, I'm not seeing much of an issue, but we have gotten some freezing rain, and I expect it to continue. So please be very vigilant on what you're doing this morning. Give yourself some extra time for heading to work. Most schools are closed or 2-hour delays. That's good. Other than that, keep an eye out for things this afternoon. Turn to all rain. Unless you're up north, like I said, you will get some sleet and snow mixed. So we'll keep an eye on it for you here and have updates as needed. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Thank you for watching.